We are going to learn some action words with examples in sentence. I am walking. I am walking to the park. I am dancing. I am dancing at the party. I am sleeping. I am sleeping at home. I am writing. I am writing a story. I am jumping. I am jumping with excitement. I am reading. I am reading a book. I am eating. I am eating breakfast. I am playing. I am playing with my friends. I am singing. I am singing a song. I am teaching. I am teaching English. I am drinking. I am drinking a glass of water. I am sharing. I am sharing my food. I am swimming. I am swimming in the lake. I am cleaning. I am cleaning the house. I am cooking. I am cooking dinner. I am laughing. I am laughing at a joke. I am fishing. I am fishing in the lake. I am washing. I am washing the dishes. I am dreaming. I am dreaming of a beautiful place. I am gardening. I am gardening in my backyard. I am shopping. I am shopping at the mall. I am clapping. I am clapping for the performer. I am cycling. I am cycling to school. I am driving. I am driving to the office. I am mopping. I am mopping the floor. I am imagining. I am imagining a beautiful scenario. I am winning. I am winning the game. I am sweeping. I am sweeping the porch. I am hiking. I am hiking in the mountains. I am flying. I am flying to the New York. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.